So today we will make one dimensional drawing in AutoCAD. So start from making line, one horizontal, one vertical and one horizontal line. Again, we will use offset command this day. So we will go for offset. For offset, you can use this. Here is modify and this is offset. Okay, offset. The dimension is 4000. We will pick the line and show the direction. But if we need 4 to 5 offsets, then we will type M multiple inch 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Again we need offset. So we need this time we need 5000. Select the line and for releasing type M. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Enter. And again this is our stretch command. Click here to this. Again this is stretch command. Yes. Now my layout is completed. Okay, we have the similar pattern. Now first of all we have to make grid layers. First we make, here is layer properties. Click here. One layer dialog box will be appear. We are doing layer. Okay, this is layers. One layer is automatically made here. We will right click on this and make new layer. We have many items in the drawing, like we will supply dimensions, that is dim. If I press comma, the cursor goes for making new layer. Then I will type if I want to make text a layer. Again I will press comma and uh, next field will be created for a new layer. This time I will type center line, center, centers. Okay. Again press comma. Then if I want to make a bold line, then I will make bold, bold, B-O-L-D. And similarly thin. And one may also may be requiring some hidden lines, so I will do hidden. Okay. Now for hidden line, I have to select a color, and maybe this is magenta. Okay, and the line type will not be continuous. It will be, if this line type is not here, so I will press load. And in load, this is a file, autocad file, autocad.lin file. From here, I will select a hidden line. Okay, okay, okay. So you say this is hidden line. And for thin, hidden and thin are same in intensity, so I will also click this for a magenta line. Okay. Again, I will go for bold. This time I will collect this color blue. Centers can be very thin lines, so I will use color 8 for this. Okay. And for centers, I need